Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Adiva, how are you?
How are you feeling now? Are you still sick?
I'm getting better, and when I heard your voice, now I feel much better. How old are you?
I'm good.
How old?
8.
8 years old, mashallah. Well, if you make dua for me, if you pray for me, I would definitely feel much better. Adiva, do you have a question today?
I will.
Thank you. That's very nice of you. Really appreciate it. So now, do you have a question?
Yeah. My question is,
The young girl who called in the earlier segment and the sound was not clear and her voice was breaking up, she said, since it is Ramadan and we know that Satans are chained according to the hadith, well, in this case, can I yawn with my mouth open and a sound without covering my mouth since there are no Satans? The answer is no, because covering the mouth when you're yawning isn't only because Satan enters, but it's an Islamic etiquette. People do not need to see the mouth cavity. Do not find the smell that is coming out of your mouth. It's a shameful thing. That's why you need to cover. When you sneeze and when you yawn, cover your mouth. Another information, when the Prophet ﷺ says Satans are chained in Ramadan, not all of them. He said, maradatu shayateen, the most rebellious. So there are some little shayateen there on the loose. Thank you, Verda. Appreciate your call. May Allah bless you. And I'm very happy that you took it serious and you sent the question inbox to me.